Hi, till now I discussed Turing machine as a language acceptor. Let's discuss Turing machine as a transducer. Transducer means you can do some operation and you can get some output. Turing machine can be designed to implement basic mathematical operation like plus, minus, multiplication, division. The function which is implemented by Turing machine is called computable function. The function which cannot be implemented by Turing machine is called uncomputable function. For example, root x, log of x, that you cannot implement on Turing machine. Computable function can be divided into two types. One is total computable, another is partial computable. Total computable means it is recursive set and for which some algorithm exists. That is total computable. Next, partial computable. Partial computable means recursive enumerable set for which some procedure is available and you can do partial recursion. Just remember, total computable means recursive set, partial computable means recursive enumerable set. Let's design Turing machine for some basic mathematical operation. First example, fx equal to x plus 1. Input alphabet is 1. You can write 2 as a 2 1. So f of 2 will be 3 1. You can write 3 as a 3 1. F of 3 will be 4 1. Any number you can just represent in term of 1. Let me design Turing machine for this. There will be initial state. By saying 1, 1 will be 1 and it will move right. Then by saying blank, blank will be 1 and it will move right and accept. Let's run one string on this Turing machine. Initially, redirect header will be here. 4 1 means 4. F of 4 should be 5. I should get output as 5 1. We are at initial state. By saying 1, 1 will be 1 and it will move right. So redirect header will be here. Then it will see 1, so move right. Then for next one, move right. Then for next one, move right. Now it will see blank. Blank will be 1 and it will move right. So this blank will be 1 and pointer will move right. Now how many ones are in output? There are 5 1. We give input as 4 1 and we get 5 1 as output. So this is the Turing machine for x plus 1. Let's say another example, x plus y. Here also input alphabet is 1. 3 plus 2, that will be 5. 3 you can write as 3 1. 2 you can write as 2 1. So how will design the Turing machine for this? Let's 3 plus 2. So what you will do for this one, you will simply skip. Then you will change this plus to 1. Then we will move right. Then for this one you will skip, for this one you will skip. Then when you will see blank, you will move left. Then you will change this one to blank. Let me design Turing machine for this. There will be initial state. By saying 1, 1 will be 1 and it will move right. Then when it will see plus, plus symbol will be 1 and it will move right. Then for more 1, it will simply skip and move right. Then when it will see blank, blank will be blank and it will move left. Now it will change 1 1 to blank. So 1 will be blank and it will move right and accept. Let's consider a string 3 plus 2. Initially redirect header will be here. 1 will be 1 and it will move right. Now for this one it will move right. Now redirect header will be here. When it will see plus, plus will be 1. This plus will be 1 and will move right. Next for 1 simply will move right. For 1 will move right. When you will see blank, blank will be blank and will move left. Now redirect header is here. So it will change this one to blank. Just change this one to blank and move right and accept. Next language, f equal to r mod 3. Any number when you are dividing by 3, what will be remainder? Remainder will be 0 or 1 or 2. Suppose 5 1 mod 3. 5 1 means it is 5. 5 mod 3 it will be 2. 2 you can write as 2 1. Let's design Turing machine for this. There will be initial state. Then by saying 1, 1 will be blank and will move right. Then by saying next one, 1 will be blank and will move right. Then from state 2, by saying 1, 1 will be blank and will move right. So this 0 is for remainder 0. This 1 is for remainder 1. This 2 is for remainder 2. Now all 1 we just change to blank. But we need remainder as an output. So in remainder that should be 0 1 means blank. That should be 1 1 or that should be 2, 1. So what we'll do, we'll create one final state. Then from this state, by saying blank, blank will be blank and will move right. Now from this state, if it will see blank, blank will be blank and will move left, and we will change one blank to 1. So we'll change blank to 1 and we'll move right. This is for reminder 1. Next, from this state, we should change 2 blank to 2, 1. Now by saying blank, blank will be blank and it will move left. Then one blank will change to 1 and it will move right. Then another blank will change to 1 and will move right. So now this is the Turing machine for R mod 3. Let me run one string. I consider 6, 1. 6, 1 means 6. So 6 mod 3 reminder should be 0. Means all 1 should be changed to blank. Now rewrite header is here. For first one, 1 will be blank and will move right. Then for second one, 1 will be blank and will move right. Now we are at state 2. Then by saying another one, that will be blank and will move right. Then we are at state 0. The next one will be blank and will move right. The next one will be blank and will move right. Then this one will be changed to blank and will move right. Now by saying blank, blank will be blank and will move right. Now you can see output is blank. Let's take another string. I am just considering 5, 1. In case of 5, 1, reminder should be 2. 5 divided by 3, reminder is 2. Initially, rewrite header is here. By saying 1, 1 will be blank and will move right. Now this one is changed to blank and rewrite header move right. Then at state 1, by saying 1, 1 will be blank and will move right. Then at state 2, by saying 1, 1 will be blank and will move right. Then at state 0, by saying 1, 1 will be blank and will move right. Then at state 1, by saying 1, 1 will be blank and will move right. Now from state 2, by saying blank, blank will be blank and will move left. Now rewrite header is here. So what it will do, it will change one blank to 1 by this and move right. Then it will change another blank to 1 and move right. Then it will accept. Now in output there is 2, 1. 2, 1 means 5 divided by 3, remainder is 2. Let's see another example, 1's complement. If 0, 0 will change to 1. If it will be 1, 1 will change to 0. Let's design Turing machine for this. If tape alphabet is 1, it will change to 0 and will move right. If tape alphabet is 0, 0 will change to 1 and will move right. Now by saying blank, blank will be blank and will move right and the string will accept. Let's take a string. So initially rewrite header will be here. By saying 1, 1 will be 0 and will move right. So this 1 will change to 0. Next rewrite header will be here. So this 0 will change to 1 and will move right. Then this 1 will change to 0, will move right. Then this 1 will change to 0 and will move right. Then by saying blank, blank will be blank and will move right and it accept. Input was 1, 0, 1, 1. We got output as 0, 1, 0, 0. So this is 1's complement of this. You can also design Turing machine for mathematical operation. So this is called as Turing machine as a transducer. Thank you.